Hello everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you the OpenClaw Antigravity ban warning and how to avoid it so you don't get banned. OpenClaw Antigravity is a script or mod that reduces recoil or changes weapon physics. It is often used with devices like Chronozen or similar tools, which gives an unfair advantage, such as laser-like aim or no recoil. It can't get you banned because most games like Call of Duty, Warzone, Fortnite have strict anti-cheat systems. Using anti-gravity scripts can trigger anti-cheat detection, including behavior-based detection or software detection, and can also lead to manual reports from players or hardware patterns detection from Chronos-type devices. There are possible consequences if you use it. These include temporary suspensions, permanent account ban, shadow bans where you only match with cheaters, and loss of skins, progress, and purchases. The important reality is that even if it is undetected right now, or everyone is using it, or it is just a script and not hacks, it still violates the game terms of service. To stay safe, play without scripts or mods, avoid third-party devices for unfair advantage, use it only in offline or private modes if at all, and stick to legit sensitivity and settings. That's it, thanks for watching, don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.